Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to use standby mode on any iPhone. Now to do that, first of all, just enable standby mode on your iPhone. Now for that, just open the settings, then tap on standby. From here, just make sure you enable standby mode on your iPhone. Now once you enable standby mode, just plug in your iPhone to the charger in this position. Now you can use a MagSafe charger if your iPhone supports MagSafe. Now as you can see, we have successfully enabled standby mode on our iPhone. You can change the clock style by swiping to the left or to the right side, and you can swipe up from here to change the widget. But remember that the standby mode only works in this position, just like that. And this is how you can use standby mode on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.